Hello guys, welcome back to Borneo Schematics. In this video, we are diving deep into the powerhouse features of our software. Today, we are focusing on an essential tutorial regarding how to properly use the Combine File feature. Please keep in mind this important rule. You must always click the Combine feature button in the top right corner first, every single time you want to combine new files. Once you have entered the combining interface, you have two easy ways to add the layout or schematic files you need. First, you can simply click the file once from the left panel and then drag and drop it into the center area. Alternatively, you can use the double-click method on the file whenever you want to add and combine a file into your current workspace list. Just wait for the data fetching and rendering to complete, and the files will perfectly merge onto your screen. Now, here is a crucial point where many technicians make a mistake: the exact order of your clicks. If you directly open a file from the left menu without clicking the Combine feature beforehand, the system will not initiate the merging process. Instead, the layout will automatically change into a dual view mode, triple view mode, and so on, opening the files in separate side-by-side windows rather than combining them together. So, always make sure to follow the correct sequence. Hit the Combine button first, and only then select or drag your files. This clean visualization is specifically designed to help you trace lines and execute your solutions with complete confidence. Want to elevate your repair game and work more efficiently? Always count on the precision mapping of Borneo Schematics.